Birds are living in their own free environment, but due to many reasons, they get sick and injured. When people found the sick and injured birds, they bring to the hospital. Some birds don't have legs, some birds don't have wings, some birds seek other reason. But the doctor he treatment nicely and he puts the artificial legs and wings so that they can fly and walk again. And the birds they get new life. This type of birds are many in this hospital area. Some birds cannot fly or they take long time to fly. That's why they have created artificial natural place for this bird. The birds are kept with love and they treat with birds like their kids. When the birds die, they use the skin of the dead birds and artificially they put it in their museum.